Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be installing the Airaid air intake system into the toolbox. So stay tuned. So we're gonna go over this thing. Let's see what it has inside. As you can see, it is sealed. I haven't opened it up, and well, we're about to find out. Here, remove the tape. Now this is for the toolbox, Mustang 96-204, and this one's supposed to give you somewhere around, I don't know, 20 horsepower without a tune. Supposedly with the tune should give you like 30 horsepower. Obviously that's all to the crank, maybe to the wheels like 10 horsepower. Alright, now this is cool. Okay. Sweet. So we have the manual. I already dismantled my old intake on the car. So we have a hose. Cool. This is the rubber for the air filter with the protector, so the heat doesn't dissipate into the intake. So you get to breathe that cool air. Alright. We have tube. And we have filter. Pretty nice. And this is the shield. Protects the intake from the heat. Alright. So this is what it looks like.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, as you can see, the install is done. I have not started the car, so we don't have a battery yet. So we're gonna install the battery right now, and we'll crank it for you guys so you guys could hear, and then we'll go for a drive and we'll see if we'll feel any difference. Right now, battery is back, so we're about to start. I don't know if you guys can remember last episode, the engine was very dirty. I'll play a clip for you guys so you guys can see. This horrible cold air intake, which is horrible, I'm sorry. This metal here just gets really hot and just makes the car just perform like a dog after you've been driving it for like 10-15 minutes or so. Now check this out. This engine looks totally brand new, completely different. First start, the intake. Now we'll check everything. Check for leaks. It looks a lot better. Alright guys, so unfortunately I have bad news. The audio, something went wrong with my microphone and my GoPro where the audio came out terrible. You can hear a little bit. I'll play you guys a clip so you guys could hear it as I did a first gear pull, first and second, and you could hear the car a little bit, and towards the end I'm gonna play a clip for you guys so you can hear my thoughts in the moment. But overall, the experience, it's been phenomenal. It's been great. I have nothing but great things to say about the Airaid intake company. The quality of the product is really good. I mean, you're gonna feel more the power towards the mid-range, but I'm not saying overall on the top end you'll feel it. The car is gonna pull a little bit harder. Things to note: I don't have a tune on this car, so I'm just installed the intake. I have an off-road X-pipe, but the car really seems to like it. And and the thing, it wasn't so much about the performance, is that here in South Florida it gets really hot. The metal intake that I had before, it was just not doing it. The metal part gets hot, and what happens is that as you drive, the intake temperature gets very hot, so the computer starts pulling timing from the car, so that results to a loss of horsepower. So therefore I decided to go with the Airaid intake, which is, it's similar to OEM, but it's going to allow the car to breathe a little bit better. I love that it has a heat shield to protect the heat coming into the engine, and I didn't want to go with the intake that goes into the fender because of water flooding, or I just like the look, the OEM look, and overall I'm very happy of the quality of this intake, and it's a great system. Not gonna get as hot as the other intake that I had before. So, and the car sounds great. Definitely sounds good. Feels strong on the mid-range, and I'm pretty sure it picked up a few horsepower. Feels a little bit faster. I'm gonna sit here and tell you that it's 50 horsepower, but it definitely feels quicker.